Wow.
Look at the rubber.
Wow.
That was incredible.
Look at that. Oh, there she is. Good morning, Ferrari Scuderia. How are you doing today? And more importantly, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. My name's Damon Fryer. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash that subscribe button. Please join the Daily Driven Exotics community. So by the way, if you're new, this is a 08 Scuderia. We're gonna jump in this, head over to my office, and we've got a kind of a fun-filled day today. We have some tire shredding to do. I'm not gonna ruin what vehicle it's in, but you're about to find out. So let's head over to the office. Wow, you guys, look how beautiful it is. I mean, it's like it is summer. It is so warm out. So this is kind of one of my favorite places to kind of warm up my day because we got an on-ramp here. And on-ramps mean fun. I'll show you why. Woo! What a day, what a day. Beautiful sun, a beautiful sounding Ferrari V8 behind me. This is the way to start a vlog. So guys, I gotta go this way to get to my office, but right over here is this overpass. It's the closest thing we got to a overpass. Tunnel. Listen to this. Woo! This is amazing. I love it. What do you think it would sound like if we gave it a little bit of juice leaving here? I'm just gonna put it out there. If you like cars, life's better in a supercar. It's just awesome. It's so worth working your face off to get one of these. Just look at oh yeah, there we go. Welcome to the office, guys.
Can't see anything with the light, eh?
No.
I know, you're blind.
It's like blinding me.
Yeah, so blind.
How close?
How close do you want to get?
Like within about a foot.
Oh, dude, it's like... You're good, you're good.
No warning. No warning. Just, yeah. Oh no, you're good, you're good. Stop! When you hear the crack, stop. This car and all of its beeping noises. Beep, beep, beep. Everything about this car beeps. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was good. Good work, Jay. Good work, Jay. So today we have a car that needs new tires, correct, Ollie?
Yeah, you need to...
Holy keys. Look at all the keys, guys. Think we can get any more supercar keys? Ollie, what are we doing? Look at all the keys. Look at all the keys. We got the 430 key, old 458 key, my old Gallardo key, my first supercar key, and the current HURACAN key. And of course, if you haven't noticed, head to Shop DDE where you can pick up your own keychain or lanyard. Bing! Bring in that supercar. Whoa, slow down. There's a big bump. Don't want to bottom out the lip.
Kids, I'm missing the hubcap.
Good morning, Dave. What happened to the hubcap?
I've driven it, what, 200,000 kilometers? Not a problem.
233.
Yeah.
You've never had a hubcap come off?
No.
Until I drove it?
Yeah, not until you drove it.
Dude, Corsa mode in this. Yeah. Crazy. Okay, bring that bad boy in. Line it up with the other two supercars. So guys, Plycar Automotive Logistics is the official transport for DDE. Give them a follow on Instagram. I'll put links in the description. They're amazing. We've had like how many referrals from last year took them?
Tons.
Like a lot of people took their transport services. Awesome reviews. Like legit, never had any one person say anything bad about them. So give them a follow. If you have a car you need transported, give them a shout. This thing is leaving on Plycar just after the weekend. going back down to Southern California where VF Engineering is gonna do their thing on the engine. And we have a new wing. I have a new wing coming. So
Is it a new wing or is it a new wing?
yeah, we've got a new wing. It's a big wing. So stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, we'll be driving that. Now notice I am pointing at that, not that. Dave is driving that today, but we'll be driving this. So you guys asked for it. They've been always saying more Scuderia. You're getting more Scuderia over the next weekish. What are we doing today though? Today doesn't involve either of these cars. It involves this thing, Ollie?
Yep.
Okay, well, Dave, let's do our thing. Let's jack it up, swap the wheels, and
So you guys are certified to do this, right?
Oh, dude, if you watch the videos, we're good.
Yeah.
Jack it up from right about there, right there. Yeah.
let's jack it up from right. No, I'd jack it up from right here,
Well, that's smart.
right where the carbon splitter
Right in
is.
the flex point in the corner of the bumper should be good, actually. Yeah. We got this.
The headlights pop out.
So what's your normal strategy here, Dave? I'm curious.
Okay, so step one,
Yep. This is. I have suggestions.
crack the lug nuts.
Oh, there you go.
Right?
I can't believe you've learned that.
I have.
Okay, let's just get to it.
Do we know what the torque spec is on the?
Hey, Dave, what's the torque spec?
Tight.
That's right. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey.
We got it.
It's okay. My kid's just riding this. It's fine.
Not today, they
Not
don't.
today.
Not today, they don't. Oh, Dave, what are you doing down there? Jeez. Sorry about that, guys. This is a PG show. I apologize for Dave's bum being in there.
Hey Siri, what is the torque spec on a 2006 E55?
My web search turns something up for what is the torque spec on a 2655.
Got my work boots on today too. You like that?
I think you've already.
You look like you straight up came out of like a muffler shop.
Yeah.
Doesn't he?
Cars.
I don't know about if I'd say muffler shop, but something to do with rear ends anyway.
This is actually from a subscriber. You know who you are. Thank you very much. I opened a whole bunch of this stuff like on camera, and then my SD card ended up being corrupted with an entire day's vlog. That sucked, but thank you for this. This is wheel bullets. They're like a guide, you know, you get it. By the way, those are 19s and these are 20s, so there's a common theme here. We tend to step the wheel size up by 1 inch, except for on the Huracan.
I don't really see the direction on this. Do you see a direction on it?
Well, we know this is the outside.
Well. Yeah, and these were brand new last year. The tires last a year and a half. And then Damon hopped in this car and he's like, man, there's no traction. Like, it's just lighting up everywhere. I'm like, really? I didn't really have that problem.
I still run on it, whatever.
What happened there, guys?
Yeah.
So
that's why this is getting changed today. They've got 2 new rears for this because look what it does. Like the outside's new,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
it just kills the.
It's got like probably some of the worst camber of any car I've ever seen. Cause like, look at that.
Like factory camber.
And then look at this.
Yeah.
And then look at that.
Yeah, that's
Pretty messed up.
It does.
Hey,
You
you
guys-
got your last year Ace Spade Rally shirt on, bro.
We'll see you guys in July.
Oh, that's right. We have Ace Spade Rally again this year. Starts in July. You guys want to come see us? Go to the Ace Spade Rally website and you'll see all the dates and locations. We actually have the ability to do a full announcement because this year Saturn took extra time. Did I tell you this? He took extra time to actually plan out proper time and locations and everything specific for the fans.
Awesome.
The rally owner of Ace Spade took the time to set up a whole fan meet and greet at every stop. You park your car at this special place where everyone can see it, and yeah, it's a big deal. I think it's cool that they took the time to do that.
Okay.
Good. Tell me when the wheel's off the ground.
We have lift.
We have lift. There, that one's off.
You have to go a bit higher because we're throwing 20s on them.
Oh yeah. There.
Yep. We got lifts.
Booyah.
Oh, this is cool. Look at this guy.
Where was that? Where was that when we needed it?
In my toolbox?
The whole time?
The whole time?
The whole time?
The whole time. This is so far. All right, guys. Let's test out these wheel bullets.
By the way, not sponsored. No official plug.
It's kind of slick.
You okay with that?
Oh,
So-
are you kidding me?
Pretty heavy.
Anytime you want to go for a workout with me, Fryer.
Last time I did, I barfed.
I know.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, those are slick actually. Look at that.
That's actually really cool.
Those are really cool.
Whoever sent that, well played. Well played.
Well played. Well played. Thank you very much. Wheel bullets to the rescue. Those are pretty slick, aren't they?
Those are very handy.
One side done.
Yeah, but I thought you guys like, hey Ollie, we're gonna do this.
You got this.
I'm the one.
Said we're gonna film it while you did it.
I'm wearing the shirt.
Last one. There you go, bro. You got it. You got it.
I'm just watching Dave gonna scrape the van down Justin's.
Down the side of Justin's car.
Yeah, it spins.
Oh yeah, it spins. Okay, guys. We're gonna cook these tires on the E55. Dave, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
This is gonna be fun.
Wow. How was that? Let's find Ollie in the smoke here. There you are.
Only one tire was moving. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
And so I got nothing on my camera, but that was incredible.
Wow. Look at that. And it was a bad tire that was spinning.
Just one tire was doing it.
Damn. Why one?
It did the right one. Yeah. You want to do one more?
No.
We got some smoke out of it, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
Only this side spun.
That smoke was not still see. They saw it already.
Oh yeah, we're screwed. We're screwed. I don't know if this thing's making it, bro. We're here.
Let's do it.
Okay, don't say anything to Lucas about the tire. Yeah, it's done.
Hey, what are we up to?
Got to swap out some tires. So here, we'll grab these, the winters. Yeah.
Beautiful. I don't know.
That thing is done. Gotta see the damage on this bad boy. Look at all the rubber. Look at that. Done. Done and done.
He's making a movie. Oh.
We'll have to keep looking. Nice. Thank you, sir. Ready? Catch.
Demon.
Do the doors. Do the doors. You guys, we got to talk about this. This is a Gallardo. A Gallardo does not come with the scissor doors. We got scissor doors. Who does this to a car? What are your thoughts? Drop a comment. Would you do this? Should you do this? Is this an appropriate upgrade or not? I mean, let's have a look at the mechanism really quick. Oh yeah, I see how that works. Now the weird thing about this is, here's the weirdest part. We get in the car, we're in the car. The doors don't come directly down. Watch this. You have to carefully bring them down. So bringing them down, oh, and they're heavy, they kind of fall. And then you have to pull in. So to put, they don't go straight up. You have to pull the handle, push them out.
Gotcha.
And then from here, how you can't, like, dude, I'm a strong dude. You cannot muscle that up. You have to grab under the door and put, that is heavy too. Push them up.
That is heavy. Okay.
So
I have to grab the
handle,
door card.
the handle.
Which I heard.
Yeah, pull it down.
Oh, it drops.
Because it's heavy. Then close it.
Driving. What's up, ladies? Oh yeah, I got the doors. Hold on. No.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey,
Right?
how's it going? Lamborghini.
What do you think?
I think like conceptually I get the idea behind it, but it's not cool.
Here, Dave, can you grab my bag?
Can you take his man purse?
It's a Merce.
It's a satchel.
And
It's
it-
European. It's a satchel.
What's in it is his dignity, because there's nothing in it. All the way down first.
Here comes, here comes.
Yeah.
Boom!
That's
Okay.
dangerous, yeah.
Yeah, close it. Now lift the door.
You got this. He goes to the gym.
No, hold on. Now lift the door.
Am I doing this incorrectly or what?
No. Just lift it, one hand, it's easy.
Yeah, just
You
one
should be able to do it, one hand, go.
You got it.
Go,
hand.
one hand.
There you go. That's heavy.
So to finish off on the doors on the Gallardo, this is a Silver Arrow car. It's for sale. They're getting rid of these doors because they just need it to be back to stock. So if anybody's looking for this car is very clean.
Yeah, mint.
It's mint. The nice thing is you don't have to deal with the door shenanigans. They're gonna take those off and it'll be back to normal. Good decision, Silver Arrow, as always. Ooh, new tires. Looking good. Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Okay, guys, done with the tires. Back to the DDHQ we go. Ready, Dave? We'll teleport there. What? Oh, there's still tons of rubber. Oh, look at it. It's just peppered all down the side. It's all rubber, guys.
It's like, no, officer, that wasn't me.
Look at that. That's wild. Well, look at the new tires.
Yeah, looks good.
Those are some low profile tires.
What are they? 25? Oh, they are 25.
25s.
285, 25, 20.
Well, there we have it. The Merc has new tires yet again. Is that it for the rest of today? I think that's it. Smash the subscribe button. Throw us a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Dave and I are going to see you next video. And we got more stuff coming when Dave's working on his M3 build, so stick around for that. Peace.